viciously and down, harvesting crops of fields that others have plowed. I am the one lascivious. I am the son of one below. The progeny of beast of war, and I am the one who comes. Ain't you the daughters of men? Destroy